Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Second Cup. It's been about a month since I started this channel and I've published 4 videos so far. So I thought maybe this is the right time for me to introduce myself in a lot more detail and also really talk about why I chose to start this YouTube channel as if you don't already have enough content to consume every day. So here we go. My name is Vasantha Gullapalli. I've been in the tech industry for nearly 30 years and the last 8.5 years with Amazon. Along the way, I've also taken some intentional detours to explore my interests in entrepreneurship, public service, Indian politics. I was also a full-time stay-at-home mom for a little bit and a full-time caregiver for my parents when I needed to. None of these pivots or decisions were easy for me. But I'm really grateful that our years, or rather decades of hard work, diligent financial planning, and discipline afforded me these opportunities. But they were still very difficult for me because I was constantly second guessing myself and wondering if I was giving up on my big tech career too soon. But now that I have the benefit of the hindsight, I can tell you confidently that every single one of those pivots was absolutely the right thing to do at that time. They opened up new doors for me. I got to meet different kinds of people that I would have otherwise not run into and got to learn a lot about myself. I don't think I would have learned all of that if I just chose to continue in my tech job at that time. So after having worked close to 9 years at Amazon, last year I decided to quit and resign from my job because it was no longer fulfilling and really serving its purpose in my life. It was extremely hard again to make that decision to walk away from a steady paycheck that I was getting, especially with the uncertain times that all of us are navigating, and also walking away from this identity that we tend to build around the titles or the roles that we are playing in a company like Amazon. But like I said before, I'm really grateful that our decades of hard work and financial discipline afforded me to really listen to my heart, give myself some breathing space and time so I could actually decide where and how I wanted to spend time in this phase of life. So since stepping away from my job, I took some time to figure out what aspects of my corporate life that I wanted to really continue because I truly enjoyed them. And 2 things bubbled up, again, not in any particular order. First one is about continuing to feed my curiosity. I realized in a job, you have this nice structure within which you're continuously learning new things and stretching. And especially in an environment like Amazon, which expects you to get out of your comfort zone every single day, dive in and learn new concepts, pick up new domains, make decisions and learn from those mistakes constantly. But since stepping away, I still have that same innate curiosity. I have a list of topics and domains that I want to learn. I have a list of passion projects that I want to build and experiment with. And with the advent of AI tools, all of this has been a lot of fun and even faster than before. But to be honest, I think I still need to get better at structuring my day so I'm not just jumping from one idea to another. And the second one that gave me maximum satisfaction and fulfillment in my job was actually working with people, helping them realize their fullest potential and helping them through their decision-making process, especially when they're trying to balance their work-related ambition with life's priorities. When you're in a management position in a company like Amazon or any other company for that matter, there are usually a lot of people seeking your advice. I did too. And along with that, I actually invested a lot of time and effort in mentoring quite a few of them. So that took care of that aspect of my personality. And since stepping away, I'm glad I'm still in touch with a lot of my ex-colleagues, team members from Amazon and previous companies, and have a good network of friends and family who still trust me and often approach me when they want to discuss any of their life's decisions or brainstorm ideas. With their encouragement and from their ideas, I started a professional newsletter last year called The Second Cup. In this newsletter, I cover my real experiences, the lessons I have learned along the way, and what I would do differently if I were given another chance. I really hope this newsletter reaches as many people as possible, especially those who are navigating similar situations or trying to again balance their work related ambition with life's priorities. It also serves a second purpose for me, which is helping me sharpen my writing skills. Writing in the form of blogging, short stories, journaling has been in my life for a long time now, and now adding this professional newsletter to it helps me expand a little bit and learn from the feedback that I get from my readers. This YouTube channel is an extension to the same newsletter because I realize there are a lot of professionals who are short on time who may prefer a shorter video or audio format that is easier to consume. So I'm hoping through this platform I can also reach as many people as possible, and if it can help them feel less alone in their professional journey, feel a little bit more confident in their decision making process, then it has really done its job. It also serves a second purpose for me, which is helping me get out of my comfort zone. I am usually the kind of person who's not comfortable in front of the camera, so this helps me get over my own inhibitions, put myself out there, be vulnerable, goof up, make mistakes, maybe give you a few laughs along the way, and also learn a thing or two about this whole content creation process on social media platforms and so on. So welcome to my journey. If any of my experiences or topics related to how to balance between work aspirations, life's priorities, and interests resonate with you, please consider subscribing. And more importantly, please comment and share your feedback with topics that are top of your mind that you would like me to cover. If you think any of this would be beneficial for anybody in your network, please consider sharing. Thank you for watching until now. Thank you for subscribing if you've already done that. And take care.